Discover lighting done right with our premium 4-inch recessed retrofit trims, designed for outstanding versatility and long-lasting performance. With over 100 different options, you'll find the perfect type, style, and finish to match your space. Each trim is made from top quality materials for a superior durability and flawless look. You simply won't get this level of craftsmanship anywhere else. Installation is a breeze. Step 1. Install the LED bulb into the trim. Step 2. Attach the adapter to the bulb. Step 3. Screw the adapter into the medium base Edison socket in your recessed housing. Step 4. Fit the trim into your housing. Just push it in. The springs will hold it. Not sure if it'll work with your 4-inch recessed housing? Snap a photo and send it to us. We'll evaluate it.